If you've ever tried to remove one of these Rivian second row head restraints, it's pretty challenging. The reason is there are two buttons that have to be pushed in at the same time to make it come out. There's one here that sits proud and it has to be pushed flush, and there's one over here that is flush and has to be pushed in. And that's pretty hard to do when it's like that. And so if you need to put a child seat in and you need the strap that goes over the back, you're trying to get this thing out, people are using tools, and I think it's dangerous because you're going to scratch something or ding the upholstery. So I made up this little tool. It's 3D printed, and you can buy it from me or you can 3D print it yourself. It makes things really easy, so it's this easy. I'm just going to push it in like that and then swing it around there, and that hits both places, right? You can sort of see how it did that. And the magic is in these features here. This little boss presses the one in, and the other one just reaches around and brings that one flush. So pretty darn easy. There, like that, and you're done. Okay, so there you go. You can print it yourself, or you can buy one on the website. Have fun.